Hey everybody, hey, it's Alex, Trinity Roofing and Construction. I'm out here at this new construction build that these homeowners have been in this house for about a year, and they had leaks from the recent snowstorms. And I just want to show you guys what I found so that you can be aware of it and maybe tell your friends in case they do have a new construction home that new construction doesn't mean that they're perfect. In this example, what happened is that the roofing contractors cut the shingles too far out from this, so it really only gives you about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of actual flashing at the bottom. Wind-driven rain and wind are just going to lift those up and drive them in. We really want to see it more closer to this so that it has the ability to adhere to this as well as give full protection for that wind-driven rain, especially at the top. Now what happened is that when they cut this, not only too big, they cut too deep. It made its way down behind that, and then it cut even further down in there, and then that is where it's leaking at when the snow melted, and it made its way into this, hit the decking, hit the hole, or ended up down in there, and then that's where this snow is coming in on this one. And what they did is they tried to make this look like it's supposed to. They cut it a whole lot better to really maximize the amount of coverage on the flashing, but their solution was to just cut this, or they accidentally cut it too high, and then they just sealed that back down. Now that is not right, because it is supposed to be shingles. Because when you seal it, sealant naturally deteriorates, cracks, stretches, expands, and then once you have holes like this, that water is just going to go in there, run down and hit that hole. Go into that hole, run underneath the shingles, ended up in there, and a multitude of ones. So instead of doing that, they could have just removed those and then put some brand new ones in. But now we're in an issue again. New construction, old construction, it doesn't matter. Retro, remodels, it can all have issues. You need to have it checked by a professional contractor. Make sure that you reach out to Trinity Roofing and myself at 214-455-3796. Thank you.